If you've just created a brand new Gmail account, or if you're still rocking the default settings, then I'm sorry to break it to you, but Gmail is set up to fail you. Hey, Carl here from GMass, and today I'm handing you 14 Gmail settings that will totally level up your inbox. We're talking less clutter, faster email flow, and way fewer oops, wrong person moments. Let's dive in. Number 1, multiple types of stars. Starring emails is great, until your starred folder starts looking like the island of forgotten to-dos. But what most people don't know is that Gmail actually has 6 different star icons and another 6 icons that you can use to color code your priorities like the Picasso of productivity. To use them, head over to the advanced settings and then scroll down to stars and simply drag the stars that you want to use from the not in use row to the in use row to activate them. Now you can cycle between them when starring an email, and you can even filter your emails based on the color of the star. Next, we're going to enable the updates tab. The promotions tab is a graveyard for expired coupons and webinars that you've never signed up for. And just like the Peloton that's collecting dust in my garage, it's only good for one thing: taking up space. So here's what I want you to do. Go to settings and then under inbox, uncheck promotions, but check updates instead. The updates tab is great for emails that matter, like sign-in alerts, shared docs feedback, or political campaigns, but not important enough that they need to hijack your inbox. Plus, Gmail learns over time what belongs in there based on what you dragged into it. Smart stuff. Next, we're going to turn off Conversation View. Conversation View is a default setting that compresses all of the emails in a conversation down to a single thread. In theory, it's a great way to keep your inbox neat and tidy, but in reality, it's also a great way to lose track of important emails. To disable it, go to Settings and then scroll all the way down to Email Threading and uncheck Conversation View. After reloading Gmail, you'll now see that each email gets its own line in your inbox, so nothing slips through the cracks. Number 4, crank up the undo send time. By default, Gmail gives you 5 seconds to undo a sent email. 5! That is barely enough time to realize your career-ending mistake of accidentally saying hi Tucker instead of hi Tucker. Let's fix that. Head over to the advanced settings and then under general, scroll down to undo send and crank it all the way up to 30 seconds. Now you've got a little bit of extra time to hopefully catch those corporate oopsies. Number 5, we're going to move up the spam folder. We all know that the spam folder is where junk and viruses go to die, but in reality, some legitimate emails can end up there too. Things like updates from my dentist, insurance notifications, sign-in alerts, hell, even my pen pal trying to sell me fake Viagra. Yeah, the usual. Yeah, no, it's getting bad. Yeah. By default, the spam folder is tucked underneath of more, so sometimes you don't see that you received something new in there. Move it up by dragging it above more so that it's easier to get to. Now that we move the spam folder up, we're going to need to keep it from cluttering our view. To do that, head over to the advanced settings and then under the Labels tab, next to spam, click Show if unread. Now when there's no new messages in spam, the entire folder completely disappears, keeping things neat and tidy. But before I do, if you're enjoying this video and you're finding these tips helpful, please consider hitting that like button and hitting subscribe right here in the corner of the screen. We post new videos like this every single week with the main goal in mind of making you better at sending emails. Moving on, I'm going to show you how to use color-coded labels. Color-coded labels are a super easy way to recognize email types and sort your inbox. So, for example, if you work on multiple projects at the same time, you can set a specific color for emails from each project. To set them, simply hover over the label folder that you want to color and select label color, then choose the color that you prefer. Number 8, we're going to combine the Send and Archive button. Okay, believe it or not, but you could actually combine the Send and Archive button into one so that when you reply to an email, it automatically archives until you get another response. This is hands down the easiest and fastest way to keep your inbox clean and up to date so that you can focus on what's most important. To set this up, just go to the advanced settings and then under general, scroll down to Send and Archive and click on Show in Reply. Next, we're going to turn our button labels into text. When you click on an email, right here at the top, you're going to see a bunch of different action icons for things like report, spam, delete, and archive. The problem is, I've used Gmail every day for years, and I still sometimes don't always remember what these little icons mean. Now, if you find that you spend a second or two trying to scrub these icons for the action that you're looking for, then you're going to want to turn these icons into text to make them easier to identify. In advanced settings, under general, scroll to button labels and click on text. Now they should look just like this. Next, we're going to enable reading Pane. Pane with an N-E, not I-N, like that one time when you were forced to read To Kill a Mockingbird in front of the entire class. Yeah, thought you forgot about that, didn't you? You're welcome. Enjoy falling asleep tonight. Reading Pane is Gmail's version of split screen magic, and if productivity is your main goal, then this is going to change your life. Go over to the advanced settings and then click on the inbox tab. Then click on Enable Reading Pane and select Right of Inbox. Now, when you click on a conversation, you can actually read through the entire thing without ever leaving your inbox. But if that's not enough multitasking for you, then trust me, this will be. Number 11, multiple inboxes. Do you want to see emails from different labels, starred folders, and replies all on one screen? Multiple inboxes is the answer to your prayers. To turn it on, go to Settings, and then under Inbox Type, click Multiple. You'll then get the option to customize the layout based on your preferred style and the inboxes you want to use. Number 12, fix your signature placement. Does your email signature show up underneath quoted text and replies? That's gross. Looks like a bot wrote that. Here's how we can fix it without manually typing out your signature every single time. Go to Settings, Signature, and check Insert Signature before quoted text. Now your sign-offs look clean, professional, and most importantly, not like you typed it with your feet. Number 13 is confidential emails. Have you got an email that's sensitive? No, I don't mean does it have pink hair and take 30 minutes to order Starbucks. I mean, does it contain like financial information or something sensitive to a project? If you said yes, check this out. Click the lock and clock icon in your email draft to enable something called confidential mode. Confidential mode allows you to set an expiration date for your email, block forwarding, and even set up an SMS passcode to access it. I don't care what my psychologist says, sometimes paranoia does equal peace of mind. And for our final tip of the day, install GMass. Okay, this tip is more than just a shameless plug, I promise. It really is the best tip that we can give you to take your Gmail account to the next level. GMass is a Chrome extension that integrates directly into your Gmail account, giving you all the powers of an email marketing platform right where you actually send emails. Whether it's easily sending mass personalized campaigns using mail merge, setting up automated follow-ups, boosting your deliverability with automatic email verification, or using our built-in spam solver tool to test your emails, GMass gives you the tools that you need to stay efficient, productive, and ahead of the curve. Check it out. Link in the description. And there you have it. 14 Gmail tips that will take your Gmail account from 0 to hero. Now, remember, if you enjoyed this video and you found these tips helpful, then please consider hitting that like button and clicking subscribe. We'd love to have you as part of the family. We post new videos like this every single week with the main goal of making you a better emailer. For now, thanks for watching and happy emailing.